Welcome to Genius Coffee. In this video, we're going to show you how to safely remove the Burr chamber from your Fiorenzato or Sanremo grinder. First, make sure the side screw that holds the hopper is not tight. If it is, use a screwdriver to loosen it. Then gently lift the hopper off the grinder. On both sides of the Burr holder, you'll find small latches. Using your fingers, carefully unclip the latches on both sides. Be gentle to avoid breaking or damaging them. Once the latches are fully unclipped, lift the Burr holder straight up. It should come out smoothly. If you feel any resistance, double check that both latches are completely released. With the Burr holder removed, take a moment to inspect the burrs in the chamber for any signs of wear or coffee buildup. You can also remove the clamp crusher. No tools are needed to remove or reinstall it. If you plan to vacuum the inside chamber, make sure it's removed first. If needed, use a microfiber cloth to wipe away any remaining coffee residue. If you need to replace this part, visit our website or get in touch for more coffee parts. All the details are in the description below. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Burr chamber from your grinder. Be sure to follow the same steps in reverse to reassemble your grinder. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more coffee grinder tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more videos, and happy grinding.